In today's video, let's talk about on how to fix the Instagram broadcast channel not working. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now the way that you can fix this issue can be done by a few things. The first thing that you need to check is your account type. For example, if you are a personal account, in this situation you would not be able to start a broadcast channel. So in this situation, what you need to do is either switch your account to a creator account or a business account within Instagram. Also, you need to verify your followers count. Instagram does shift the eligibility requirements, so you need to have at least 10,000 followers within Instagram in order to start a broadcast within this platform. The other thing that you need to make sure is that your account has not violated any sort of guidelines. If your account has violated the guidelines within Instagram, in this situation, however, you would not be able to broadcast or use the broadcast channel within this platform. So make sure you keep this information in mind. And if none of these solutions are working for you, and if these are not the case for you, this likely could be the case of app bugs. So what you can do is just uninstall Instagram from your device and then again re-download it. So these are the few things that you can try out. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.